Allison, that's not what you're supposed to do. What are you doing?
How do you spell your last name? Is it P-H-A-I-E-R?
Who?
Jordan?
Oh, no, it's T-H-A-Y-E-R.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Your hair looks silly in the back, girlfriend.
She's got that punk style to it.
Mm-hmm, like a little ponytail going on.
Jordan said she was over here, and she was trying to put her fingers in the mouth. And up the nose.
Allie, what you doing? What are you doing? Can you wave? Say hi. Hi. Good girl. Hi, Grandma. Here's Allison the terrorist again. What are you doing?
Told Jordan, when we move, I want to buy a video camera. But we'll move it to one place where we can actually start getting videos of instead of like little clips
Mm-hmm.
and just pictures. I want videos